I made $380 from one video with less than 1,000 subscribers, and here's how it happened and how you can do it too. It's really about affiliate marketing, and you might have heard a ton of different videos and people on YouTube telling you that you need to do affiliate marketing, but I'm gonna break it down into 3 simple steps that'll help you understand what you need to do to get affiliate marketing going, especially if you're under 1,000 subscribers and you don't know where to start. So the first one is alignment, and what I mean by that is you take a real product plus the right video, and that equals real trust. You know, you don't want to chase just these random products that you don't really align with and that aren't a part of something you used. An example from me is I used Dehancer Pro, and I've used it a few times in the past, and I made a video tutorial on how to use Dehancer Pro. It was a real tutorial, actual value. There wasn't any sales pitch. I wasn't trying to get people to buy it. It was purely just a tutorial on how to use it, but also comparison between whether or not the value for that plugin is worth it. And so that's really the video I made. It aligned with what I do on this channel, aligned with my audience perfectly, because obviously on this channel I do a lot of editing tutorials and filmmaking type of videos, as well as now branching into a little bit more strategy and how to grow and monetize your channel. But this aligned with my channel, so it made sense to do it. And the thing is, affiliate content only works if the content and the tool that you're using aligns with your audience, and it perfectly aligns. So when it comes to alignment, what you're going to want to do is, number 1, alignment equals trust. Okay, so alignment equals trust. You need to use something that fully aligns to your audience, and that builds trust. So that's the first thing when looking at affiliate marketing. The second thing is asset. So make one great video that compounds over time. So this is the product that you're making, right? You're not actually selling the products that you're getting affiliate sales for. You are making one great product through your video. For me, I spent almost a month scripting and editing that one video. Typically, I'll do a video in a day or maybe a couple days of scripting, but this video I took at least 4 weeks, maybe even a little bit longer, to script it out, to edit it, to brainstorm. I actually went through and shot listed and all kinds of stuff, because I wanted to make sure that it was a great tutorial that showed every aspect of the plugin. I didn't just post it and pray that people watched it. I made it good enough that, you know, the views would come in and people would want to watch that throughout the next few years. So even if you have low view counts, like let's say you're getting 1,000 views or 500 views or even less, this still will keep earning for you over time, because if you make one great video, if you make that asset valuable to your viewers, then it's going to continue to compound over time. So the content that teaches well becomes the digital asset, not just a one-off post or video. It becomes the asset that people are going to watch. So that second thing is you want the asset, right, to be greater than the viral. So you need to change that in your mind. The asset is greater than the virality of a video. You don't need to try to make it pump right off the bat and get hundreds of thousands of views. What you need to do is create the video to actually have value to the people, and that will grow over time. Which leads me to the third point, or the third step to this, and learning how to build affiliate marketing, and that is the affiliate setup. So obviously, without having the affiliate codes, you can't do anything with earning affiliate sales, right? So leverage what you already use and monetize early. If you already use equipment, so for instance, I use specific video gear like cameras, lenses, lighting, that kind of stuff. You can go sign up for an Amazon affiliate account and be able to just take that and put those links in the description. For me, in this specific story, Dehancer gave me a free license of Dehancer Pro to edit, and that was the opportunity I saw. One, it was pretty cool that they were giving me a license. I only had 500 subscribers at the time, and so for them to give that plugin to me for free without any hand holding or any stipulations on the video that I actually produce, that was pretty awesome. But they also gave my viewers 10% off, so that is another great thing. So try to find products or things that you use that will give the viewer a discount. That's even better, and that'll get people more invested in clicking on those affiliate links. But it also kicked back 10% to me, so this was a great deal all around. So no one clicked on this at first. When I created this, no one really, I mean, they watched the video, but no one clicked on the affiliate link. But over time, the right people did, because the video, again, the asset was made well. So, you know, I had first sale was like $21 and then 13, and then now it's just built up over 380 in the last 5 months, which again doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're not monetized, you have less than 1,000 subscribers like I do at the time of this recording, it's pretty awesome to be able to get a few $100 off a video that you made months ago. So you don't need 10,000 subs or AdSense. You just need trusted recommendations, clear link in the description, and to be able to send people through that. So the third thing is affiliate is equal to first income. Okay, so the affiliate is equal to first income. This is huge because you're not going to get income from anywhere else when you're making YouTube videos other than through affiliate or maybe selling your own digital products or things like that. Before you're monetized, it's really hard to make money. So if you can get in the affiliate game and make high quality videos that promote those affiliate links, you're gonna get income, and that's huge. So that's the three things. You have 1, alignment equals trust. 2, asset is greater than viral, so your video needs to be greater long term than just the virality of something. And then the third thing is the affiliate is equal to first income. So if you're under 1,000 subs and you're wondering how to make money, don't wait to monetize. Make aligned content, turn it into an asset, and set up affiliates early. Set it up right away. That's how you win from the start. Hey, I'm building a community called Creator Lab, and this is for creators who want to grow their audiences and their income with video and without having all the guesswork. If you want hands-on challenges, clear monetization steps, and support from people like me and people like you, then join the waitlist down in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.